Hello students, welcome back to the second chapter from trade to territory. We are doing this 7th video, okay. In this 7th video, we are going to talk about challenges during British expansion. Challenge during British expansion. In the previous video, we saw about the claim of paramountcy. According to the claim of paramountcy, the Britishers said that their authority is supreme in Indian states and they wanted to just grab all the territory which are there of India. Okay. So, this was their main purpose and they wanted to, and this was like that continued. And what had happened here, children, is they started giving challenge. Okay, the territories will be taken away according to Lord Hastings. So, this was the whole scenario, and we can see in this thing that there were lots of people in India who had given challenge. Okay, they gave challenge to the Britishers that we are not ready to give away our territory without challenging as well. Okay, so this is how the thing started. Challenge during British expansion. Okay. This is Rani Chennamma. During the annexation of Kittur, that is, we are talking about Karnataka. When we are talking about Karnataka, Rani Chennamma is the famous lady who did not give up to the Britishers, saying that this is our property and we will fight back for it. Rani Chennamma took the arms and led an anti-British resistance movement. She was arrested in 1824 and she died in the prison in 1829. Okay, she had started up with the fight, but the Britishers had arrested her and then put her in the prison, and in 1829 she breathed her last. So, this whole thing, okay, who continued after Rani Chennamma is Rayanna. Rayanna is a poor chowkidar of Sangoli in Kittur, that is Karnataka. He carried out this anti-British resistance war or the movement, and he was caught and hanged by the British in 1830. So, this is how the people of India did challenge to the British, and they were not ready to give up the territory. Okay. So, this is what you have to remember. Challenges during British expansion. East India Company was worried with Russian expansion. Okay. Here the Britishers were really worried about the situation of the Russians because Russians were in power. When Russians were in power, they felt that they would capture the Indian states where they are having their territory. So, Russia might expand across Asia and enter India from the northwest. The British wanted to secure control over the northwest. They wanted to see that the whole boundary, that is north to west side, would be under, northwest side would be under their control. And seeing to that, okay, they saw that the Russians were expanding. So, if once they will enter into India, then their power will be totally vanished. So, that is why Britishers wanted to safeguard to secure their control over the northwest. Prolonged war with Afghanistan between 1838 and 1842. 1838 to 1842, a continuous war was being seen. Prolonged war with whom? With Afghanistan. Sindh was taken over in 1843, and that is how the northwest side further, okay, Afghanistan side also was being taken away, and Sindh also was taken away by the British. Here you can see, okay, this is the Russian Empire. As you can see the expansion, okay, the Russians wanted to enter from the northwest, and Britishers already knew that if once they will enter from here, they will have a thorough control over India. So, to stop that, okay, the Russian Empire, the Britishers needed to stop them. So, that is why they wanted to have a control over northwest areas. Seeing to the expansion during 1813 1830 of the Russians. Okay, and this side you can see our Indian map in those time. This was the border, northwest side. So this is the area where you can see that Britishers were having control over. Okay, they wanted to see that these people don't enter the Russians. Here you can understand this is whole of Russian area where they had total control over. Okay. Now once they'll enter, they will have total control over India. Here also you can see, that's why they wanted to expand. They wanted to take over other areas, that is Afghanistan and Sindh they had captured. We had another person, okay, who had not given up on the territory, that is Maharaja Ranjit Singh. Maharaja Ranjit Singh, you can see he is the second person who challenged the Britishers. Next in line was Punjab, but it was not so easy to win over Punjab. Why it was not so easy? Because till Maharaja Ranjit Singh was there, the Britishers kept a friendly relationship with them, and because of him, the Britishers only came, they did the trading work and they left. Okay. After his death in 1839, two prolonged wars were fought. After his death, two wars were fought, that is with the Sikh kingdom, and the Punjab was annexed. So children, here this much you have understood very clearly. So I want you all to go through this topic clearly. Okay. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.